Hey everybody, Arcturus here. Today we're looking at the LEGO City Space Science Lab. This is set 60439 and it comes with 560 pieces, as well as 2 minifigures for astronauts, a small speeder bike for one of your astronauts to pilot, and an alien. Let's start off by taking a look at the set itself. Here we have a nice movable door. You could take it all the way out or just lift it up as you like, with a nice striped pattern that you build out of the triangle smooth pieces. Also comes with a nice printed keypad piece and a printed piece for the battery there on the front. This symbol here is a sticker piece and is very similar to the one found on the LEGO Galaxy Explorer. Some other sticker pieces here on the side. Again, this battery piece is a printed piece, but this one here is a sticker. And that covers most of them. That covers all the external pieces there. You do get some nice windows here, so it is the darker gray plastic to match the top here. This side has a doorway, which can just be lifted up, so you can access through here, or not as you wish. Just bumped this piece off here. On this side, we have the charging station for the little speeder that you can make. This piece can just detach. It holds in with the 2 pin pieces, but if you do detach it, then you are left with an opening here. So it is up to you if that's how you prefer it or not. So the entire build is hinged. It opens on this side with the yellow bar or golden bar there, and then can open up all the way. You can also detach this alien land piece from the center. It just holds on with 2 of the grabbing pieces. It has some sort of flowering plant on it that has fruit, which it uses these nice toad pieces to do, which is a nice touch from LEGO there, that they keep doing that rather than making some nice pieces. It's kind of a callback to when they started doing it. I really like it. So you have this nice tower piece with just some alien landscape that the scientists in this are studying. It's got some nice crystals in it, blues and red, purples, pinks even. The flowering plants here and some leaves, as well as a nice blue crystal piece there in the center. Set that to the side. So here is the rest of the interior of the science lab. You have a bed here, as well in front of the window. You have a bed here in front of the window with some small storage space underneath, and then some amenities for living in the lab itself. You have some sort of coffee maker type thing over here, as well as a battery pack and some nice stickers for these sections. I think the stickers in this are actually quite well done. They're pieces I've not seen before. You have 2 others on this side as well, and then a 5th one here on the side window of a soccer player. While I do think these would be better for as printed pieces, I think for the size of the set, stickers are perfectly all right in this set, especially if they're going to give some nice varied prints here that you don't normally see. I find stickers are more of a problem when they're things that are common pieces where you have like 12 of the same sticker. That's where I find them more annoying. The top pieces here don't really move all that much. Some of them have more movement, but mostly that's about as far as they go. Not really much movement at all on them. It does look like it should be able to open up all the way, but they do get caught on the sides of these triangle pieces. Now, most of the build is held together by these grabbing pieces that just attach to, well, if I don't remove that, but it does make it easier to see, that just attach to this side piece, this pillar piece on both top and bottom. And I'll just slide this piece back in. I'm not even sure how that actually came out. Just reattach that there, and then it just easily reattaches in case you take it apart, or if you want to take it apart and reconfigure how some of the rooms sit, you could do so. I'll just close this up for right now. And that's about as open as you can get it. You can close it with these in. It does move this centerpiece a little bit, and the top might come off or not. It did earlier when I was playing with it. But we'll set that back there, and then we'll take a closer look at the minifigures. And we'll start off with this solo astronaut. So here we have a very nice minifigure with lots of great detail, some blue and gold on like the chest plate there, and on the legs, along with some orange. No arm printing on this one, but a very nice astronaut figure. This helmet doesn't move, but it does have some nice molding here on the back. But it's the clear plastic piece isn't one of the ones that's designed to move, but you do get one of those in this. You also get a nice jetpack piece that we've seen before on one of the other Lego City Space builds. And then this minifigure's head has either what should be a tattoo or what I think is cooler as like a cybernetic implant. Being Lego Space, I think those are perfectly possible in this. So we also have an alien creature here with the Lego Space symbol on it, and also comes with a helmet. And then if you take off the helmet, you can see 3 eyes on this alien creature, and then some spots there on the back, and some spots on the front as well. No detail there printed on the back. I don't remember what these little pieces are called, but I think they're pretty cool for an addition to a lot of alien creatures if you're not going to go full on prints, like some of the Star Wars heads where they're minifigure sized. Then for the last figure, he comes on this speeder or some sort of space vehicle. You get 2 engines on it that you just kind of build together out of some small simple pieces, but I think it looks really nice. Has some headlamps here on the front, a nice printed control panel there, and then another sticker piece here. And that can just attach to the side of the build. And then you have a nice little wheelchair you can build, 2 wheels and then like an axle piece, and just a nice simple little connection there. And then a similar astronaut body to the other one, although this one has green arms to go with the green helmet. And this helmet can go up and down, unlike the other. It also has a little bit less molding there on the front. And here we have the back of the astronaut that I didn't show on the other figure because the 2 torso pieces are the same except for the color there. He also only has a face print and has 2 side hair pieces, I think. I'm not entirely sure what those are supposed to be, but looks like hair to me, so that's what I'll go with. That's the Lego City Space Science Lab. It was a fun build, as most Lego builds are. Nice, easy to put together, very enjoyable to build. Would make a great addition to any like moon base or space base kind of builds that you're working on, or even just something to have in a like Lego City build if that's your interest, or just a fun one to put together. Well, that's all I've got for today. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I will catch you next time with another video.